Good afternoon. We recently sculpted a beautiful Porsche 911. You can find the video on the channel. This car, like other cars on our channel, will end its life in a crazy crash test. Frontal impact will be first in my test. Wonderful! But where's the trunk lid? The damage is quite serious. Let's try again. And so, again a frontal blow. This impact seriously damaged the wheel rim. It's time for a side kick. Hit the rear of the car. This part of the car contains the engine. Amazing results. The car interior was not damaged. The interior geometry remains unchanged. Elements are not offset. Don't forget to like this video. I would also like you to write what car you want to see in the next crash test. Subscribe to the channel. And see you as usual in a week. Have a nice week.